Good morning, student. This is Veer Singh Rajput from Saraswati classes, Narol. Students, we are going to take one more example of partnership firm, chapter number 1 of 12th standard. What is given? C. A, B and C are the partners of the firm. Their profit and loss ratio was 3:2:1. So what is given? You have given one thing, profit and loss ratio, that is 3:2:1. And if B gets 50,000 as profit on his shares, what is the total profit of the firm? First one thing, instead of giving total profit of the firm, here it is given only the profit of one person. So I have made you to write one thing while writing the rules and the regulations of that partnership firm, that when a profit is given instead of total profit of any one partner, profit is given, at that time on the basis of that particular partner we have to calculate the profit of other partners too. Then how can we calculate? For that we have to make a thing. How could we make the thing? Here it is. You can see partner B, on the other hand partner A. So when partner B gets a share 2, at the same time partner A gets a share of 3. So we can make a thing that if I get 50,000 rupees on share of 2 rupees, how much partner A will get if he gets as a share 3 rupees. So you can see 50,000 into 3 divided by 2. So it will be 2 5s 75,000 rupees. So we have found the data, found the profit of partner A. Means partner A gets a profit of 75,000 rupees when partner B gets 50,000 rupees. On the very same data, we have to calculate the profit of partner C as well as. How to do this one? See here. Partner B, on the other hand partner C. So partner B have a share of 2, partner C have a share of 1. B gets 50,000 when he gets a share of 2. On what base? On that basis, A should get. So 50,000 into 1 divided by 2. It is 25,000 rupees. So we got the profit of all the partners. Now write here A, B, C. What the heading? The heading will be total profit of the firm. A gets 75,000, B already given 50,000 and C 25,000. In this way, the total profit of the firm is 1,50,000 rupees. So is it clear to everyone? Right? But the sum is not over till. There is something that we have to calculate. Now what is that? That is, see here. If commission is to be payable to partner B, if commission is payable to partner B, and what is given after that? After deducting commission from his profit. This is the most important thing that we have to understand. After deducting his profit, his commission from the profit, means उसका profit, उसका जो commission है वो profit में से already क्या कर दिया गया है? निकाल दिया गया है. But मैंने आपको एक theme लिखवाई थी on the beginning of the rules when we were writing the rules and the regulation of partnership firm, that the topic was, if total profit is not given, instead of total profit, one partner's profit was given to you, that on that partner's profit we have to calculate the total profit of the firm, and after after that simple calculation is to be done of getting the commission by any partner. So here the same concept we are dealing with, that total profit of the firm is not given. So simply commission का फॉर्मूला क्या लिखवाया था मैंने आपको, टोटल प्रॉफिट इनटू योर कमीशन रेट इज suppose 10%. So 10 by 100. You can see 150,000 into 10 divided by 100. So in this way, partner B will get a commission of 15,000 rupees. How much commission he will get? He will get 15,000 rupees as a commission. Now still our question is not over. What is to be said after that? ये कहा हुआ है कि every partner will get how much amount? What is, see here, what was the total amount received by B? So not every but by B. So put here total amount received by B. So first of all he gets profit. How much profit he got? He got profit as 50,000. And after getting profit he was able to get commission too. So commission का भी उसको मिलेगा. So commission was 15,000 rupees. So now we can say that partner B got total 65,000 rupees as profit plus commission from the partnership firm. Right? This is the question that you have to understood, that you have to understand. Similarly, kind of questions are given in your notebook, in your book, textbook. So please do those kind of sums from your textbook too as a practice. Till we'll come after a short period of time with next lecture with some another kind of sums of the same chapter. Till then, do the practice, study at home, and be safe.